Ooh, Justin Bieber. Okay, go. Here's some Pepsi.
No,
We're gonna experiment. No, you're the one who thought of it.
Fine, whatever. I'll blow up my stomach.
Okay. And I have it all on tape. Hurry, Justin Bieber's staring at you in the background.
I know, right?
This is going on Facebook.
No, it isn't.
Go.
Your turn.
I'm not doing it.
Yeah. No, it actually didn't hurt. It just feels weird. Your turn. Your turn. I didn't know you to do it. Oh, it's still tingling in my mouth.
I love Pepsi, so I'll do it for my Pepsi. I'm putting this in.
No, you're supposed to put the Pop Rocks in first. Come on, stop being a wuss. Quickly. No, don't eat all of them. I paid for them.
Me too.
Yeah, we both did.